1, 2, 3. Thank you. Arigato. Thank you so much. It looks like Chinese soy sauce.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. How would you look anyway?
It's a light superior soy sauce. Hiro, pick up the tomatoes. Yeah, thank you. ¿Dónde vaya a ser el atún? Only one shot. And then if they have a salt, I want to get salt into the stage to a little bit salt. Tataki. Yeah, like a full kind of. Okay.
Creo que aquí hay un poco de realidad es que me da pena con ustedes, pero no trabajo acá. Estoy casi como él, bueno, que él es amarillo, soy cubano.
He doesn't work here. He's just like us.
Allá tienen algún lado donde, mira, escúchame, tienen algún lado un sartén que pueda prestarle al lado.
Those are better. It's more like a natural. Hopefully they're okay. It's in a cooler. It looks like one's frozen.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You see how?
You want to put in some warm water?
No, I'm talking about things. Everything is different, changing already.
Uh-huh.
We have an hour and a half. Yeah, but the only thing that once the cucumber gets frozen, it's never become to the same. So some performance maybe could be might fail. Let me help you with that.
Listo? What's that?
Everything's fine?
Yeah, everything's fine. Miriam showed up. She's outside. I gave her my list. Yeah, I talked to her already. Showed her what we're doing. And it was good.
He was practicing with the knives.
Oh yeah? Okay, it's good?
Good.
Okay.
Ladies fine.
So what are we making, Hiro? Tuna tataki.
Getting ready for that.
And some special mango salsa, no? Alright. No temperature gun.
Yeah, in the temperature gun too, but we don't have it.
Yeah.
That's it. There you go. This is the cooler. Just until it shows up. That's it. Sure.
Oh, Hiro.
Is the product done or what?
It's on right now.
It's brilliant, Jenna. Beautiful.
Done. It's okay?
Hiro, can you see anything?
Puede ver algo.
Okay, no, Hiro cannot see anything at all.
No puede ver nada entonces.
We're going to put 30 seconds on the clock.
Entonces vamos a poner el reloj 30 segundos.
We're going to try to make sure that the carrot slices are perfectly round shaped.
Y vamos a asegurarnos de que tiene la forma perfecta, redonda la zanahoria, los trozos de zanahoria.
Go, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, I'm going to count.
Entonces voy a contar.
On your mark,
En sus marcas,
get set,
listo,
go.
fuera.
Seconds, keep going, 10 more seconds. Go, more.
Coge la otra zanahoria, coge la otra zanahoria.
And time, that's it, stop.
Ah, ya. El tiempo se perdió.
Okay.
Así es, así es.
Let's give a round of applause for Pamela.
Un aplauso para Palmira, por favor.
Thank you so much.
Muchísimas gracias.
Huh? You want to count? Okay, let's count. I don't think we need to count here. I think it's
No.
it's okay. That's okay.
Estuvo muy bien, muy bien.
Before we end this time with you, we want to ask you for one big favor.
Antes de terminar este tiempo con ustedes, queríamos pedirles un favor.
This is for our YouTube channel.
Esto es para el canal nuestro de YouTube.
And of course, Hiro's thing is good afternoon.
Y entonces,
To say good afternoon to everyone.
Heroes dice good afternoon, buenas tardes para todos.
So when I count to 3, if we can say good afternoon all together, and this is going to be in our YouTube channel, and you'll see yourselves.
Entonces, cuando yo cuente hasta 3, ustedes son los que me van a decir good afternoon. Should they say in English or
In
Spanish?
English. Or no, you know what? Let's do it different. Let's do it in Spanish. Buenas tardes.
Está bien, entonces vamos a decirlo en español. Buenas tardes.
Okay, everybody ready?
¿Están listos?
1, 2, 3. Thank you. Arigato. Thank you so much. That was perfect. Yeah, it was nice, right? Elio did a great job. This is the man right here, Elio. Thank you so much.
You did
for
it.
that.
It was great.
No, you did. It was a team effort. We're just part of the process. Part of the team.
Look at that.
I know. It's awesome.
The entire hall is up there.
Yeah. You want to be on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're from here?
Yeah, I'm from here, but I follow you because I was working in Ecuador and was more easy to be in internet.
Okay.
And I'm a fan of sushi.
Yes.
A little sushi. I'm not a professional.
Right.
But I like it. I like it too much, very much.
And your name?
My name is Roman.
Roman.
Diaz.
Roman Diaz. And you live here now in Havana?
Yes, I live.
Okay.
Now in Havana.
And it's funny because Roman came to me and says, "Oh my God, I never see you before," because and I see him down here in Havana, Cuba. That's amazing. So you see what I look like now.
Okay, thank you.
So nice to meet you,
Yes,
Roman.
nice to meet you too.
My pleasure.
I want to meet you.
Yeah. I'm going to introduce you. Definitely. Hiro, this is Roman. He used to follow us from Ecuador, and he's living here now. He recognized you. Well, now he knows what I look like, but he used to watch your videos on YouTube.
Yes. I'm a big fan of you.
Okay.
I follow you in YouTube.
On Facebook, in Instagram.
In YouTube, not in Facebook, but I follow you
Okay. Because
on videos.
yesterday texted me.
Maybe.
One person living in Havana. So, but I cannot recognize that. Okay.
Yeah, I'll get a video anyway. I got it anyway. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, very good. Thank you.
Hiroyuki Terada, pues también la gratitud por haber llegado a impresionarnos.
Hey, we want to thank Elio again for this wonderful event that he put on, and we appreciate being invited here, Elio. You're the man. You're the man, the legend, the myth, and
Am I in? I wish I would.
no, really, we can't thank you enough for making everything happen. The way I know how hard you work. We know that, and it's people like you. You're the You're the backbone of this organization. Thank you so much, and of course, me and Hiro, thank you so much for being here. We hope to be part of this in the future, and we can't wait to see what's new.
You have to support me in upcoming editions, and I always will thank you again. Every time I name any event. Perfect.
Any event, yes. Any country.
That I like.
Yeah, right?
Next event is taking place in the US. What about
Yes.
that?
Oh, that's fine too. All right, my friend. Until next time. Take care. Thank you so much again.
Thank you for being here.
And good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Hiro. Good afternoon.